risking my life underneath this giant Gladiator to show you our Howitzer arms. We call them Howitzers because they're so big and badass. Basically, we started out with billet stock 3 by 2.5 inches solid aluminum, and we detailed profile machine our logo in it, and then our own design of the control arm. These control arms are sold in pairs. They're going to be for everything, the JK, the JL, and the JT, which you see here. They're going to come with grade 8 hardware. They're going to come with a Heim joint. They're 1 1/4, or sorry, 1 1/4 inches diameter for the rod end, and a 5/8 hole. So you don't have to really worry about that. Basically, they're plug and play to 0 lift up to about a 5.5 inch lift for any of the JK, JL, or JT, or basically anything that has an OE chassis to axle mount location. You're going to have enough adjustability. We did left right hand thread, so when you put this up based on a fixed measurement and you want to dial in the alignment, all you're going to do is have the pinch bolts loose and you'll be able to rotate that. This particular color is a custom color we did for our Gladiator for SEMA, but they come in a raw finish, so you can either powder coat, paint, or anodize the one you want, or they come in a black, just a standard black, throw it in, you're ready to go. You can throw it in raw. The only thing that I would say, if you live in any kind of weather, climate where you got salt air or snow or any of those types of things, you're going to want to coat the raw aluminum with something, spray with a clear coat or polish it or whatever you want. But the black are anodized, ready to go, or like I said, you could fill in any color you want. So you're going to get pairs, you're going to get rod ends, they're going to fit OE bolt holes, you're going to have all your pinch bolts, and they're left right hand thread so you can align it. So if you have any other questions about these fabulous arms or any of our other products, hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, call us on the phone, or jump into our booth at a show. All right, thanks so much.